Good morning, children. Today we are going to study Roman numbers. We are going to study Roman numbers. Roman numbers are originated in the ancient Rome. Roman numbers are originated in ancient Rome. And the numbers in this system are represented by the combination of letters which are using from the Latin alphabets. The number in this system are represented by the combination of letters from the Latin alphabets. Roman numerals developed out of a need for a common method of counting essential communications and trade. In the ancient times, the numerals developed out of a need for common method of counting. What they are using? For essential communication and trade. They are using this for the essential communication and trade. And in the modern usage, employs 7 symbols, each with a fixed integer value. But now we use numbers like or digits like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 6, 7, 8 and 9 to write numbers. But in ancient India, the mathematicians developed this numeral system and introduced to the rest of the world. And this is called the Hindu-Arabic system. This is called the Hindu-Arabic system. Okay, I will write the Roman number here. This one. This 1, V, X, L, C, D and M are the Roman numbers. These are the 7 basic symbols used in Rome. And Hindu-Arabic system, this is the number 1. This is the number 1 in Hindu-Arabic numbers. And this is the number 5. And X stands for the number 10. And L stands for the number 50. C stands for the number 100. And D stands for the number 500. And M stands for the number 1000. And M stands for the number 1000. These are the 7 basic symbols which are used in Rome. Okay, that is the Roman numbers. We are going to study the Roman numbers. Okay, and today you should remember the Roman number. This stands for the number 1, and the Roman number V stands for the Hindu-Arabic number 5, and the Roman number X stands for the Hindu-Arabic number 10, and the Roman number L stands for the Hindu-Arabic number 50. Don't forget this much because we are going to study the Roman numbers. We say our first number is 1. This is our number 1. That is, we get this is a Roman number and this is Hindu-Arabic number. Hindu-Arabic numbers. And here you can see this is a Roman number 1. Roman number 1, this is a number 1. And how we get 2? If we add 1 plus 1, we get 2. Isn't it? 1 plus 1 is 2. So, this is the Roman number 1. We are adding 1 and 1. Now get 1 plus 1. This is 2. Roman number 2 indicates the number Hindu-Arabic number 2. And what is 3? This 2 plus 1 is 3. That is, this is 1, 2, 3. 3 ones are there. So, this is 3. This is a Hindu-Arabic number 3. And what about 4? We studied this is a number 5. Isn't it? That is, if we subtracted 1 from 5, we get the number 4. So, this is 5. And if we subtract 1, which means here I am putting the 1 on left side. So, this means We subtracted 1 from 5. So we get the number 4. And the next number is 5. Okay. And that is, we completed the number up to 5. What was the next number? 6. Our next number is 6. How we get 6? If we add 1 to 5, we get 6. That is, this is a 5. This is a 5. If we add 1 near to it, we get the number 6. And how we get 7? We plus 1, 6 plus 1, this is 7. This is 5, 6, 7. This is the number 7. How we get 8? This is 5, 6, 7, 8. That is, we added 1, 6, 7, 8. Now we get the number 8. And how can we get the number 9? Okay, yes, we can subtract 1 from 10. Then we get 9 like this. Here we know the number is 5. To get the number 4, we subtracted 1 from the 5. 1 from the number 5. That is, we put a number 1 just before we. Isn't it? So we get the number 4. So here this is our number 10. To get the number 9, we need to subtract 1 from 10. That is, this is 10. If we put this 1 before x, we say it as subtraction. 1x is 9. This is 9. After 10, our next number is what? 11. That is, this is the number 10. If you write 1 here, we get the number 11. 10 plus 1, 11. And 12, this is 10. 1, 2. 10 plus 2, 12. This is 10 plus 3, 13. Next 10 plus 4 is 14. This is 10. What is the number 4? How we write 4? Yes. 10 plus 4, 14. And how we write 15? This is 10. And you know that this is 5. That is 10 plus 5, 15. In this way, we will write Roman numbers. Next, how can you write 16? That is, this is 10 plus 6. This is 6. 1. This is the number 16. Next, 17. This is 10. And this is 7. 10 plus 7. This is 17. And what about 18? This is 10 plus this is 18. 10 plus 8, 18. And 19, x, 1x. We say it as 19. And 20, you can see x. X plus x. This is 10 plus 10. It is 20. And how can we write 21? This is x. X is 20. And this is the symbol of 1. X, x1. We say it as 21. X, x. This is 20. And this is 2. That is 22. X, x is 20. This is 3. 23. This is x, x is 20. And this is 4. So this is 24. Next, x, x is 20. And this is 5. We say it as 25. Next, x, x is 20. How can we write 6? V and 1, we say it as 6. This is 26. And x, x is 20. This is 7. We say it as 27. We say it as 27. Then how can we write 28? X, x. This is 20. And we write 8 like this. This is the number 8. So 20 plus 8, 28. And x, x is 20. This is 9. This is 9. So 29. And how can we get 30? 30, this x is 10. This is 10 plus 10, 20 plus 10, 30. This is the number 30. Now how can we get 31? X, x, x is 30. When we write 1, here we get the number 31. Next x. We write 2 number here. We get 32. Like that. You need to move on. Now how can we write? Okay, this you need to continue. And how can we write 40? The number, this is 50. And if we subtract 10, here we are putting x before L. That means subtracting what? 10. We get what? 40. L minus x. XL is 40. In this way you need to continue. And XL1, 41. Next XL 242. Like that you need to continue it. Now the number 50 we write like L. This is 50. I think this class is clear for you, and you should write. You should complete the activity which is given in the page number 101. You should complete all this activity. Okay, thank you children.